Hello friends, my name is Jagdish Pai and I am a health insurance consultant. Our specialty is that we want to help those people who do job and who have health insurance policy by their employer but who do not have any information about the three big financial losses due may occur due to this. To know more about this, you can ask three questions about to yourself. One, is your health insurance cover provided by your employer is truly sufficient? Two, in future, in case of job loss or if you resign, then your health insurance cover ends immediately, and if any disease occurs during that time, then you can suffer huge financial losses due to this. Third, your health insurance policy provided by your employer may be standard policy which does not cover your existing diseases like diabetes, etc. So, in last 5 years, while planning health insurance for more than 500 people, we came to know that many people who do jobs and whose health insurance is provided by their employer doesn't have any idea about these three big financial losses. So, if you have health insurance from employer and if you do not have complete information about your health insurance policy, then we want to inform you that you can call us and book your appointment of 20 minutes with us, in which we'll be very happy to help you and give you an expert consultancy on this. So do not delay and call us immediately. Thank you.